Here we're going to talk about how to find the largest item in an array. And there's a simple algorithm for this. They teach it in a lot of schools early on. So we're going to go over it right here. So first we're going to start with an array and just give it some numeric values. You can do this with any type of, you can use it with objects and everything else like that. But here I'm just going to start with numbers. 100, 10, and then 50. And so, of course, we want to find, hey, what's going wrong here? Oh, it needs the equal sign. So we want our value to be 100. So the way we do this is we start with a variable where we're going to hold our maximum value. So I'm going to say let max equal 0. And of course, we'll set it to a max because we'll be changing that value as we go through. So it can't be a const, of course. Then we'll have our loop here. I'll just do a for loop, the typical one that you're used to seeing. I is less than array.length, and then I plus plus. Put our curly braces, and now we're going to have an if statement here. And this is where the actual algorithm works. So we're going to say if our current value, which is array I, so if our current value is greater than max, then we're going to set that value to max. So now max has the highest value. And each time through the array, we're going to do that over and over again. Every time we find a larger value than the current max, we're going to change the value of max so that it always has the largest value. And that's it. And then down here, after everything has run, we can just log max, and it should be 100. So there we have it. It's 100. If we put, 500 at the beginning and ran this again, clear that, run it again, it's 500. So our algorithm is working, and this is where it takes place. If our current value in the array is larger than max, then max becomes that value, and anything smaller we just skip over until we come to a larger value. And that is how you find the largest value in an array.